And I want to talk briefly about fixing and flipping. So let's just say you're just not getting into the real estate game and you're looking to buy property, renovate it, and then sell it at its highest market value. So you're essentially trying to buy and flip. You cannot sell that property to an FHA buyer until 91 days after the deed has been recorded. So what that means is after you've purchased that property, you have to wait 90 days. That's 3 months seasoning, 90 days before you can sell that property to an FHA buyer. So if you're an FHA buyer, you like a property that has been purchased and renovated, and now you want to buy that property, you have to wait also the 91 days. So not on day 90, you need to go into contract, but on the 91st day, you can go into contract with buying that property without any hiccups. Hope this helped you guys. Toccara Williams Team Elite. We're here to assist.